Hello and bah humbug. Today we'll be making Lebanese stuffed peppers. This is an Americanized version of the Lebanese dish kusa mashi. The only difference is we're using bell peppers instead of squash. First you'll need to cut off the tops of 8 bell peppers and remove the seeds. Next, stuff them to the brim with raw hashwe. Link in the description and in the top right corner to that video. After you've stuffed them all, transfer them to oven-safe containers and poke a hole in the middle of each one, all the way down to the bottom. Then submerge them in tomato juice. Make sure to fill the holes you poked with the tomato juice. Cover and cook in the oven at 350 degrees for 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, it should be at a rolling boil and ready to pull out of the oven. Let them cool, covered, for about 30 minutes. Then they should be ready to serve. I have 2 different ways I plate this dish. One way for at home and one way for at a restaurant. The way I plate it at home is I break the pepper open and spread everything out. Then I top it with the sauce and garnish with a little bit of Leban, link in the top right corner to that video, and a little bit of sumac as well. The restaurant way, I leave the pepper whole and garnish the same way with Leban and sumac. It looks prettier, but you don't get every bite covered in sauce. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye, good night, and as always, bah humbug.